If you have a jack stand and it's stuck in the upright position, well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick. Now let's fix it. As I was tightening the handle on my floor jack, this little pin broke right off. So the location of this pin, it actually goes right there. We're going to remove this bar, knock that piece out, and then put a brand new pin in there. We're using a 1/2 inch to loosen these nuts. Now let's use an adjustable wrench to get these off. Now we can pull this whole piece off. From this angle, you can actually see the hole. It still has the pin in it. We're going to use a nail and a hammer to get that out. Oh, didn't even have to try. It just popped right out. That was easy. Removing this piece that's in the base of the handle, you want to line up the holes, take your new pin, and then gently tap it in with the hammer. If you're having trouble like me to get to the pin, we can take this metal plate off with a simple screwdriver. Now that we have this pin facing upright, we can reposition the arm and put these bolts back in. We're going to get one hand tight, go to the other side, tightening this one. Now we can just tighten these up. Next we're going to use a pry bar and get this right back into position. Now we'll put this little plate back on. Now I'll put this bar back on. Okay, let's give it a test. Now let's go try out something heavy. Alright, that's how you fix a floor jack, by simply replacing the pin. Thanks for tuning in to Fix It Rick. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.